turn off the rain, Kate Lunderlawn? It's all over my windshield. Turn it off, Kate Lunderlawn.
Shut up.
Come on, dude.
Idiot.
Turn the damn rain off, bro. Stop messing with my buttons now. Come on, Kate Lunder.
Shut up.
Come on. Switch it back to no rain. Come on, Kate Lunder. I can't barely see with this rain, Kate Lunderlawn.
A break, Justin.
I didn't realize buses went 30 on this road.
I don't think they're supposed to.
Could have sworn they went like 40. Okay, now we're up to 40. She's probably just trying to accelerate. Hey, Lunderlawn, turn off the rain.
Shut up.
Press the D-rain button, Caitlin.
Yeah, me.
Caitlin, thanks, Kate Lunderlawn. Hey, Caitlin, I said the D-rain button, not the defog button. Brother, I can hardly see right now.
Maybe turn your windshield wipers up then.
No, Caitlin, I'm driving. I can't pay attention to my windshield wipers. I can hardly see, Kate Lunderlawn. Quick, take the wheel, Kate
You're like
Lunderlawn.
on the wheel right now. I'm killing you.
Bro, I gotta turn on the windshield wipers.
You can do it with one hand.
Just take a hold of it. Caitlin, take the wheel. Caitlin, take the wheel. I need to turn on the windshield wipers.
Justin, stop. Freaking idiot.
I can't see, Kate Lunderlawn.
Turn up your windshield wipers.
Someone to grab the wheel for me. Caitlin, grab the wheel for me.
It's a one-hand maneuver.
No, it's 2 hands. I'm not that strong, Kate Lunderlawn. I haven't gone to the gym in like a week. My back hurts too much. I can't turn it with one hand.
What the hell? Why do you need both hands if your hands? What? Oh my God. I'm trying. It's not working. Your damn car buttons don't work, remember?
Hey, Kim. The radio works fine, okay?
Yeah.
Frick you, Kate Lunderlawn.
Oh yeah, ready?
Chill, bro.
I'm
Chill.
about to
Don't you dare turn it up.
I thought you said it worked, Justin.
It does, Caitlin. You're about to turn it way up, bro.
Ready?
Hey, cut it out. Cut it out. Caitlin, you're an asshole. Don't turn it up. Can you think of anything that's small and I'd make a tutorial video out of?
No.
Damn it. It was so funny. I was in the middle of an English class and I couldn't like pull out a piece of paper and write it down.
Maybe she would have thought you were participating in.
Well, I didn't have paper to write it down.
I was in school and I didn't have any paper. FedEx, do you drive on your side?
He was trying to turn on his windshield wipers, dude. Come on, give him a break. But yeah, I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Of you screaming at me to turn off the rain?
That's good content.
Can you not
Oh
do that?
crap, bro! I forgot.
Just go down.
Hold on. Let me sauce you. Ready?
I just need to get inside because I have like 5 minutes before I need to leave. And I need to pee and get my coat, have a snack and a drink. What are you doing?
We gotta go up, Kim.
Oh!
You can't get wet. You're gonna melt, Kate Lunderlawn.
Shut up!
If you just turn off the damn rain, Caitlin.
What? Rain?
Hold on, I need to back the sucker up so you don't hit the gosh darn house. Okay, the wheel is straight, so don't crank it too hard.
Go. Things to do. My hair's straightened.